car traffic.
Good.
He's 3300 East West Highway in the parking lot. Brake signal. It's on a gray Lincoln. One time going down East West Highway.
Number 2011 Ford, it's 625 Northeast.
Dope. I think he just not. East West Highway, yep, 23rd. East West 23rd. Just not.
Copy your word.
He's coming out the car.
Copy, bail out.
Hey! Stay in the car! Stay in the fucking car! 05, 10-3. 10-3. Stay in the fucking car! Keep your hands up! Keep your fucking hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
The car. Can I get out, please? The car. The car.
Just hold on. Keep your hands up.
I just want to get out.
Keep your hands up. Keep your fucking hands up. Just stay right there. Stay right there.
My hands are up.
Yep, just keep them coming. Gotta get him out the car.
My hands are up.
Copy.
Keep your hands up. Go.
Where's he at?
East West 23rd. East West 23rd. What happened? Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. What? All right, 35. He's staying in the car. Just yeah, keep him coming.
Copy.
What happened? 35. He struck a citizen. Start fireboard at the bus stop. Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
My hands are up.
Keep your hands up! Stay right there! Stay right there!
Okay. The car is smoking. The car is smoking.
Keep your hands right there!
Get the door, please.
Keep your hands right there!
You get the door, please.
Keep your hands right there!
My hands is up. Okay.
Keep your hands up.
Okay.
Keep your hands up.
Okay.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Don't move.
Okay.
Turn around. The door's on.
Nah, just hold him, just hold till they get there. Just hold. You don't just. Did you check on them over there? Go check on over there. He struck somebody over there.
Call him.
We got a fatal.
Keep your hands right there. Keep your hands right there.
You said fatal? Yes, ma'am. Copy.